and welcome to my weekly vlog. It is currently Tuesday. I have absolutely no plans. I've got no idea what I'm going to be doing in London this week, but hopefully it'll be a good time nonetheless. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. This is my very summery outfit today. I'm in my roommate's room. Right, where are we? Primrose now. Oh my god. Keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues. You have found me in my natural habitat, Oxford Street. I'm gonna try and find the Zara. I've been obsessed over the past, I don't know if you'll be able to hear me. I've been obsessed over the past few days with learning about colour typing. I found this YouTuber called Miriam Style, and she uses a system called the 4 seasons, not the 12 seasons, 4 seasons of colour analysis. And after watching literally all of her videos on colour, I think I'm a cool muted. 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the fake. They put me in a room with no light, but as you can see, this is a muted, cool colour. So it's not got, it's much closer to blue than yellow. As you can see, it's like an almost purpley pink. So quite flatters my skin tone. I'm actually very tempted by this blazer, except it's very clearly too long because I'm a short gal. Although I like it very much.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime.
I have been shopping all afternoon and all I have to show for it is 2 tops from H&M. I really wanted some grey basics and that is what I got. Like I got a grey vest and a grey t-shirt and that's great, you know, every little counts, but I really wanted like a grey suit essentially. So now I've identified grey as like my neutral and the neutral that I really ought to be wearing. It's just replacing a couple of those basics that I currently have in tan, which is for warmer toned people, with grey. Which is not to say I get rid of the tan, because I think with colours you should always, I think with all clothes you should keep clothes. I think the second you go, yep, that's out, that's in, you lose any sustainable practices you might have had. So I'll definitely keep the tan stuff in my wardrobe and try and wear it as much as possible, but just pair it with whites, which I did really automatically anyway without really thinking about it. Hey guys, it's Editing Ellie here. I just want to say that what I'm talking about here is sustainability. What I'm trying to say is I don't think the most sustainable solution is just buying any clothes you like from charity shops or sustainable brands. Whilst buying from those does help, and I do that myself where I can, I think that one of the most sustainable things you can do is find out your style and really investigate what clothes suit you, what clothes you're going to like in 5 years, what clothes you were wearing 5 years ago do you still like, and trying to stop buying into trends and clothes that just take your fancy and buy clothes that really mean something to you and are gonna last the test of time. Hello guys. One of the major parts of this week for me is the curly girl method. I've known for a while now that I have naturally curly hair on some level. I've really had a sort of hair crisis. In the past year I've really struggled with it, so I thought I'd show you now like what I do. In the shower I use Umberto Giannini curling shampoo and conditioner. When the conditioner's on, I like slather it on and then I brush my hair in the shower with the conditioner on. Then I rinse that out, and then here I do certain things. So I'm using the Charles Worthington Grow Tonic and massage that in because I want my hair to grow as well, and I have like quite an unhealthy scalp. Then put some mousse. This was like super cheap mousse. A handful of mousse. So then I'll flip it and just put that like in the roots of my hair, just for a bit of volume up top, essentially. And then I'm gonna take this curl jelly. I've got like a lot on my hands here. And then I scrunch it like this. But yeah, that's essentially what I do. I'll show you the results.
It's been a while, been a while, been a while since I've seen your face, and it's been a while, been a while, been a while since I've known what to say. But it's getting nervous for getting words, and I speak in circles, trying to keep myself from saying, remember last year, messing around, we were so loud, and no try to kick us out, and I could never really lie to you, so I'm trying not to hide the truth, though I've been dreaming, oh, I've been scheming, I hoped you'd be here. I hate that I love you. Ooh, ignore the history.
I just bought my friend these tulips. Can you see them? From flower store up my road. They're so beautiful. They're so professional. She did such a good job. But I'm now going to the park to meet her for her birthday.
I want to be like bang straight at me. Everything you do looks cool anyway.
Kama Sutra, does it suit you? Velvet dress is slipping off.
I'm not sure.
Won't you stay with me? It's coming through you. Never knew how much it means when you spoke to me. But everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. Swore picket fences, meet your parents.
Did you know that in London, if you go to Regent's Park and you come to, so it's where the zoo is, and you walk essentially up the west side of the zoo, you can basically get a snapshot in. Let me show you.
And I won't cheat.
You can just see one there.
Would you stay with me? But everyone needs something.
Hey, beautiful, coming out in the sun.
I know that I'm no different.
Guys, I did it. I got the vaccine, but oh my god. You know what? When people said they had a sore arm, it feels as if, so last night I completely didn't realise I had a sore arm until I went to go to sleep, and I rolled over onto my left side, and I actually thought that something in my bed, like a spring, had broken and was like a massive spring was like coming and jabbing me in the arm. Like, it feels like someone has taken a hammer, like quite a precise hammer that maybe like a centimetre thick. Someone's taken a hammer and just like on that specific spot in my arm. Like, that is how it feels, and it's really weird. So I had the Pfizer. I have an insanely big task this morning. Essentially, I pulled a pair of trousers out. Let me show you what the top of my wardrobe currently looks like. This does normally have an organisation system, but I pulled a pair of trousers out of the bottom of the middle, and then everything just fell on the floor. This happened about 3 days ago. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you and glamorise that. That is what I've been living with. And it's time. It's time to sort it out, I think. I really don't want to. So I've brought my suitcase. Where is it? Where is it? There. Brought my suitcase, and I'm going to pack away all my winter clothes because I don't think I'm going to be needing thick black jeans for the next week.
It's been a while, been a while, been a while since I've seen your face, and it's been a while, been a while, been a while since I've known what to say, but it's getting nervous for getting words and I speak in circles, trying to keep myself from saying, remember last year, messing around, we were so loud and I tried to kick us out, and I could never really lie to you, so I'm trying not to hide the truth.
So I'm one day into this whole vaccine thing, and this, wait, can you see that? That just shows up on my arm. Can you see that? Like, that hasn't been there all day. It's just, that's just appeared.
Start your computations.
Appreciate your commitment to my trade. Quality content right there. You could take me out.
Huh.
Don't want to move. Get to upset him. He's very happy with you. Very fluffy.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this little vlog. Make sure to subscribe because I'm doing another one of these next week, my last week in London. Oh, I'm actually so sad, but we're not going to focus on that. We're just going to have a good time, so make sure to subscribe for that. I will see you next time. Good.